What type of video are you making? Once you know who your audience is, you can choose the type of video you are making. Think of what type of video your audience may enjoy watching. A short film? A public service announcement? A commercial? Music video? Or just a simple video log? For example, if you are making a personal video for your relatives about your new pet, you may consider making a fun, short music video introducing your pet.
Hi, my name is Speedy. I am a hyper tuxedo kitten.
If you are making a video for your client about a new product, you may want to do a commercial. Want to tell a story? Make a short film or video log.